Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Watchwire News, where we bring you the latest and greatest in wearable tech. Today, we're talking about a new feature that's set to shake up the fitness world: Workout Buddy on Apple Watch. Apple's latest update, watchOS 26, is bringing a new AI-powered assistant to your wrist, designed to provide vocal encouragement during workouts. Sounds good, right? But can it really replace your personal trainer? Well, let's dive in and find out. Workout Buddy uses data from past workouts to offer feedback, praise for milestones reached, and statistical updates. But to be a true motivational force, Workout Buddy needs to do three things. It needs to have the perfect cadence, offer adjustable tone options, and provide form guidance. First off, we need to talk about the cadence of Workout Buddy's feedback. You see, if it chimes in too often, you might find yourself tuning it out after a while. But if it's too quiet, you won't get that extra push when you need it most. Apple needs to offer automatic and manual adjustment options so users can fine-tune the feature to their liking. And then there's the tone of Workout Buddy's feedback. We're talking saccharine or full metal jacket-style insults. Which one would you prefer? The good news is, Apple might allow us to pick from a few preset vocal options, so we can customize the experience to our taste buds. Now, here's where things get interesting: form guidance. Workout Buddy could use data from workouts like cadence, ground contact time, and vertical oscillation to suggest adjustments on the fly. Imagine getting tips on your running form while you're mid-stride. That would take the feature to a whole new level. The Apple Watch app already helps with accountability through exercise rings and burnout info from training load. But having an AI-powered assistant like Workout Buddy could be a game-changer for some users, especially when they can't make it to their personal trainer's session. That's all we know so far about Workout Buddy on watchOS 26. We'll have to wait until the public beta launch in July to see how this feature plays out in real life. But one thing is for sure: with its AI-powered tech and customization options, Workout Buddy has the potential to become a trusted companion for fitness enthusiasts. That's it for today's Watchwire News. Stay tuned for more wearable tech news and updates.